Welcome to SAP HANA Cloud Integration. After viewing this video, you will understand various tasks in the production workflow, such as promoting tasks from the sandbox to production, and scheduling tasks. One common task in the production workflow is promoting tasks. Before a task can be scheduled, an administrator must promote it from the sandbox environment to the production environment. To begin promoting a task, log into SAP HANA Cloud Integration as an administrator. Choose Sandbox to ensure that you are viewing the sandbox environment. After the list of sandbox projects appears, select the task that you want to promote. In this example, we will promote the EI/MD init task. Next, choose Promote Task from the Actions menu. When the Promote Task screen appears, select the project to which you want to promote the task. We will promote the example task to the EI production project in the production environment. If the source and target data stores do not already exist in the production environment, you can choose to promote them at the same time as the task. After you have selected the target project and whether or not to promote data stores, click Promote to start the promotion process. If there are no errors, you will receive confirmation that the objects were promoted successfully. To verify that your task was promoted, choose Production to view the production environment. Here, we can see that our EI/MD init task now appears in the EI production project in the production environment. After an administrator has promoted a task to the production environment, a production operator can schedule it to be executed automatically. To begin scheduling a task, log into SAP HANA Cloud Integration as a production operator. Choose Production to ensure that you are viewing the production environment. When the list of projects appears, select the task that you want to schedule. In this example, we will schedule the EI/MD init task. Next, choose Schedule from the Actions menu. The Schedules screen for the task appears. On this screen, you can create new schedules for the task, as well as edit, activate, deactivate, or delete existing schedules. The example task has no existing schedules, so we'll click New to create a new schedule. After the Schedule dialog appears, we can configure the new schedule. Start by entering a name for the schedule. For this example, we'll name the schedule EI, Schedule 1. Next, specify whether you want the new schedule to be active immediately. Choose the instance of the SAP Data Services agent that should be used to run the task. Our example has only one instance of the agent configured. After choosing an agent instance, decide how often the task should be run. We'll configure our example to run on a daily basis. Next, choose the time that the task should be run. Note that the schedule uses UTC time, and not the local time of the web interface or the agent host system. Be sure to account for this when you choose the start time. We'll adjust the start time of the example schedule by 1 hour. To run the task every day, we'll choose to repeat the schedule after 1 day. Although we chose to run this schedule on a daily basis, the process is the same if you choose an hourly, weekly, or monthly run frequency. Finally, we need to choose an end date for the schedule. You can click the calendar icon to display a calendar that you can use to pick the end date. We'll choose November 30th as the end date for our example schedule. Our example schedule is now complete. Click Submit to save the schedule to SAP HANA Cloud Integration. The new schedule now appears in the Schedules screen for our example task. It has been assigned a schedule ID of 32. Schedule IDs are assigned incrementally in ascending order. We can also see the name of the schedule, the agent instance that should be used to run the task, and whether the schedule is active. After you have finished configuring schedules for the task, close the Schedules screen to return to the project's view. You should now be familiar with common tasks in the production workflow. For more information about using SAP HANA Cloud Integration, refer to the help within the software and the SAP Help portal. You can also check the Get Started help for FAQs.